ano ba itong nadarama ko ngayon? With only one performance left for our Paskuhan, let's make it count as we check out the backstage one last time with our stage hosts, Tiger Jock, Santi, and Finn. Opo, gumayag tayo po. Sige po, sige po. Tapusin mo lang yun.
The Mashins, we are down to our last performer tonight. Kasama namin ngayon ang Nations Girl Group, the absolute queens of P-pop themselves, BINI!
So we are so happy to have you guys back after 2 years, grabe no? And so a lot of the Mashin Blooms are waiting for you downstairs. Ano lang ang message na gusto niyong dalhin para sa kanila ngayong gabi?
Hawak mo yung mic.
First of all, thank you so much for having us again. Sobrang saya po namin na mag-perform ulit sa Paskuhan kasi yun nga, we always say na our last Paskuhan, UST Paskuhan performance, it felt like, yeah, it was 2 years ago and it felt like it was just yesterday. Magical. Gusto niyo mag-mic? Pero yun, we always say that it was a very magical night for us and a lot of things changed after that night, and we will forever be grateful for the Mashins.
Yes, actually ba yung feel namin tonight? Kasi parang feel namin alumni kami ng UST. Kasi grabe yung pag-welcome, pagbaba pa lang namin ng van, parang everyone, parang, alam mo yun, parang excited talaga lahat sila. So, thank you so much po. And yun din yung reason kung bakit gusto namin bumalik sa UST. This is our third time po sa UST. And hopefully, di ba, nasundan pa every yearly. Naging yearly, yes. And thank you po sa award po kanina, sa Certificate of Recognition. Maraming salamat po. And yun nga, non-stop namin pinag-uusapan to. First quarter pa lang ng year. Parang sabi namin, sana po makapagpaskuhan ulit tayo. Promise po, kung ano na lang. Sige po, play VTR. Yun po. And ayun, parang pag naisip ko Paskuhan, fireworks yung naisip namin. Kasi parang binless kami ng fireworks na yun noong 2023. Parang pumunta kami sa UST nung time na yun na may hope na sana makilala kami ng Pilipinas, ganon. And then, the year after, di ba, parang yun, nangyari yung mga prayers namin. And then ngayon, parang hihingi ulit tayo ng blessing na sana madala natin ang OPM din. Makatulong tayo sa pagdala sa global stage ng OPM next year. Diba? Yun po. Humingi po kami ng blessing.
Siyempre, lagi para sa inyo, BINI. Thank you so much, and we can't wait for you all to light up the stage in flames of hope.
And that officially wraps up our Paskuhan backstage access. Once again, this was the Maverick on the mic, Tiger Jock, Finn.
Until the next Hey I and hello with your Tiger Jock, Santi, and we are your hosts for this year's Paskuhan Backstage Access 2025.
Paskuhan!
Happy Paskuhan!
Thank you for that, Tiger Jocks, Finn, and Santi!
Huh? Hala, ano yun? Parang may nagbo-bloom na daw ngayon sa stage. Kaya nga tingnan nga natin kung anong nangyayari.
Yung Paskuhan sa UST yata talagang doon nagsimula ng very viral yung growers.
Headed to Coachella, the list of performers for next year, which includes BINI.
Andito sila muli para ituloy ang kanilang tala-arawan. Muling nagbabalik ang mga tala ng ating gabi. Mula sa paglalakbay nila sa buong mundo, sila ay nagbabalik sa Espanya.
The Nations Girl Group!
Nations Girl Group!
Ay, grabe talaga. Ang
Grabe!
video.
Parang sobrang nabibitin na tayo. Binibitin na tayo for this one. Sobrang excited na. Itong katabi ko guys, hindi na mapakali. Hindi na papakali para sa ating next performer. Grabe!
Yes, just to put a bit of a background, hindi ko kasi naabutan ang last performance nila noong 2023 kaya I am so getting ready to watch this performance right now. Hindi ko na nga masabi kung ano yung mga gusto ko sabihin kasi parang nasa isip ko na lang yung 8 bituin.
Wow! Grabe na ipasok pa yung 8 bituin.
Yes.
Pero lagi na lang tayong na-excite para sa mga performances na ganito. And syempre, guys, binin na to. Are you guys excited for that? If you're excited, share this live stream to a lot more people dahil currently we're 6,000.
1,000.
Pwede pa natin tong taasan by sharing this live stream to a lot more people. And we're about to finish Baskuhan actually. So guys, be with us as we are about to be in the best part of the
At
program.
alam mo yung maganda dito, noong 2023 when they first performed here in UST, it was such a big thing. Tas tuloy-tuloy na talaga yung success nila ever since. Ngayon, Coachella performers na sila. So abangan natin at supportahan natin ang Nations Girl Group, hindi ba?
Yes! Kaya naman,
Ihanda ang inyong mga boses and dance moves to sing along with the Nations Girl Group. Nations Girl Group talaga.
grabe, Nations Girl Group. Parang kailangan ko lang sumali. Ay, grabe.
Can you show us?
Ay, no na. Dahil ito na yung moment that we are about to welcome BD!
You ain't sicker than me. You might be 4, 3, 2, but I'm 1, 2, 3. Rotate that body, then touch your feet. Oh my gosh, like OMG. Watch me snap, now watch me take. You can't do it like I did. Drop real quick, go hands to the right, then left with it. Rotate that body, go put in work. Oh my gosh, who goes down first? I rock, she rock and tap to me. I bet you won't be me. Now
continue the party, magpapakilala po muna kami. 2, 3, mabuhay! Hi, UST! I'm Sheena! What's up, Tigers? I'm Stacy! Okay lang ba? Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Joanna. Hello, everyone. I'm Gwen.
What's up, everyone? It's Mika!
Hi, guys. I'm Colette. Tomasians, I'm Malay. And we are Beanie! Tomasians, say roar! Grabe! Maraming salamat po sa muling mainit na pagtanggap. Grabe, nung last na nag-perform kami dito was, I think, 2 years ago, no, girls?
Yes,
2 years ago, kaya sobrang excited po kami tonight. Thank you so much po for having us. Alam niyo po, kaming girls, we always believe na there's something really magical and something so special dito sa Paskuhan. Naniniwala din po ba kayo doon? And aside from that, iba kasi talaga yung fun dito, iba yung saya. And we can't just miss this night. Marami po kaming inihandang performances for all of you, so let's all have fun! Woo! Woohoo!
Alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, pumunta kami dito sa UST, punong-puno po yung puso namin ng pasasalamat. Kaya, paulit-ulit kasi nasabi kanina, first quarter pa lang po ng taon, paulit-ulit po kami sa manager namin. Ako, sabi namin, sana po makapag-perform ulit kami sa Paskuhan po, no? Sana ma-invite ulit tayo ng UST. And now, tapos na yung taon, it's really happening. And pinili rin po namin na ito po yung maging last performance namin sa taong to. Opo, kasi ang dami namin pwedeng pasalamatan for this year. Ang daming good news. Magko-Coachella tayo next year. And bukod po sa Beanie, meron pong isang magandang balita na pumasok bago matapos ng taon na to para po sa aming kumpanya po, ABS-CBN. Dahil sa January 2, mapapanood na po ang Kapamilya Channel po sa All TV. Mas madami na po ulit tayong mapapasayang mga kapamilya. So sa lahat po ng Thomasians po, sabay-sabay tayo mag-open ng TV on January 2. Dahil babalik tayo sa Channel 2, guys. Meron na po ulit tayong Channel 2 sa analog and Channel 16 naman po sa digital box. Yes, bumalik po ang Kapamilya Channel sa All TV and sana po supportahan niyo po kami doon. Maraming salamat po.
Grabe, you know, that's such a sweet tea. Madami treat. Sweet treat talaga yun, Jo. Pero alam mo, I heard that Thomasians are very sweet. Totoo ba yun? Ay, parang hindi daw sila nag-a-agree. Sweet ba yung mga Thomasians?
Yes!
Siguro madaming na heartbroken dito kaya hindi sila nag-a-agree.
Ay!
Pero ang dami ko nakikitang couples dito na sweet.
Couples!
rin.
Sinong couples dito?
Ay, ayan.
Siguro yung iba.
Nagpaalam ba kayo sa parents nyo? Ayan tayo. Paki-fan cam nga po sila dyan.
Couple cam.
Couple cam.
Pero alam niyo, super perfect ng next song natin. Because this next song will put you in your feels and sana ma-enjoy nyo with your loved one or your friend. Kahit sino man yan.
Your love is sweet like watermelon. It's probably not so good for me, but I don't care at all. This Candy Crush, I hope it's never gone. Soon I'll get a cavity something healthy, but it never tastes as good. Me and my sweet tooth. No, I can't help it if it wants you. I know there's plenty of hesitations, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Problem with a heart in your rose. You really have to work for it, but still the way love. It's 4 a.m. and still up in the dark. Buzzing up the sugar rush, trying to make it stop. But how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hot. I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good. Me and my sweet tooth. No, I can't help it if it wants you. I know there's plenty of hesitations, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Wanna get over it, but do I really want to? If I'm out late at night trying to find my sweet tooth. Wanna get over it, but do I really want to? If I'm here every night dreaming about your sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help it if it wants you. I know there's plenty of hesitations, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help it if it wants you. I know there's plenty of hesitations, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth.
Wow! Grabe, balita ko. Ang haba doon ng pila kanina, na umulan na, uminit na. Kaya maraming salamat po. Alam mo, feeling ko para makita natin sila up close, kailangan natin mag-forward. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Hi, Tomasians! Basa pala to.
Medyo basa.
Ingat. Okay. Hi, guys. Hello po. Hi po. So, wala po kayong alisan dyan? Grabe. Para po kayo... Siguro multo yung mga katabi nyo dyan. Kasi ang dami nyo. Dami. Actually, kita natin sila from from standby area po namin. Ang ganda ng lights nyo. Ganda. Hindi, gusto ko ulitin yung... Diba, hello? Diba lagi tayong nakikicheer sa kanila? Gusto ko gawin. Sige. Gawin natin, sasama kami. Pwede po ba? Sige, try natin. Paano yung drum? Go, stay. Sige. Isang malakas na cheer, okay? Okay, on my cue. Tug! Go, set! Go, set! Go, set! Go! Mas malakas pa! Go, set! One more! Let's go! Go! Yes! Wow! Grabe ang energy. Meron po ba dito? Sino dito mga... Ha? Welcome back to Albini. Thank you po. Yes, thank you. Alam niyo po, third time na namin dito sa UST. Ang first natin ay for freshman. Yes, year 20. Ano bang year yun? 2021? 2022? Tapos, second Paskuhan na po namin to. Thank you. Thank you, UST, sa pag-invite. Maraming salamat po. Okay.
isa ako.
Okay. Grabe naman yung energy ng UST. Parang ready na sila sa next song natin.
Yeah!
Ready na po ba kayo sa next song namin, UST? Okay, magbibigay ako ng simpleng fun fact about our next song. Itong song na to, super excited kami ma-perform kasi special request to ni Father. Asan si Father?
Father!
Hello po! Kasi na-feel kasi ni Father na this song fits to the Tomasian spirit. Kasi we all agree naman na hindi madali maging estudyante, right? Mahirap ba maging estudyante?
Yeah!
Ay, sabi ni Kuya, no. No ba?
Ay, wala.
Oo, pero pagkatapos niyong harapin lahat ng challenges, lahat ng pressure, di ba, worth it naman yung huli. Worth it yung magiging kinabukasan nating lahat, right?
Yeah!
Yes. Kaya naman, this song, sana ma-feel nyo na this song is worth it and there are no diamonds with zero pressure.
Heaven knows if falls in nature are coming like a hurricane. I'll take you down without a chaser, so everybody knows my name. It ain't about the fame. I wanna be remembered for the way the world changes. I got fire in my blood and I move. No, you won't catch me holding on for a miracle. I'm right here and I got nothing to lose. Baby, I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back now. Always do that. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Ain't no one gonna kiss you. Gotta grab the phone and go. Even if it falls from ruin, whoa, I never give in to the pain. I got fire in my blood and I move. No, you won't catch me holding on for a miracle. I'm right here and I got nothing to lose. Baby, I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back now. Give a little extra, always do it better. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, you'll get zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Yeah, I got fire in my blood and I move. No, you won't catch me holding on for a miracle. Here and I got nothing to lose. Baby, I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back now. Always do that. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, you get zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds.
And that was Zero Pressure requested by Father.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you po. Tomasians, thank you so much! Grabe. Thank you. First of all, gusto namin magpasalamat sa University of Santo Tomas. Sa Tomasians, thank you so much for inviting us again. Thank you sa pagtanggap ulit sa amin. And katulad ng sinasabi namin kanina, parang 2 years ago, nag-perform kami dito and wala kaming in-expect na kahit ano. And nagpapakilala pa lang kami that time. Thank you so much kasi binigyan nyo kami ng stage for us to perform that time. And hindi namin in-expect na isa yun sa pinaka-magical, pinaka-memorable night of our lives sinasabi namin, iba talaga yung epekto ng fireworks. Grabe talaga yung naging simbolo noon sa aming Bini. And for tonight, magkakaroon ulit ng fireworks. I hope na ma-enjoy natin yon. I hope na ma-enjoy nyo yung gabing ito. Thank you, Tamashans! Roar, roar, roar! And for our last song, pwede po ba kaming humingi ng favor po? Pwede sa kantang to, i-open natin lahat ng lights po natin, sa lahat ng may dala ng Bini Light Stick. Thank you so much. Sa mga wala kung anong meron pang ilaw, yan. O sarili nyo, di ba? Umiilaw kayo, may sarili kayo ring light. Pero yun, yes, wow. Thank you. Itong next song po namin, part po to ng latest album namin na Flames. Actually, most of the songs po na we performed tonight, nandun po siya sa Flames na bagong album namin. So if you have time po, baka pwede niyo pong pakinggan. Marami pa po kami songs. We released 6 songs po. Itong song na to, sobrang perfect lang ito for this event. Kasi this song talks about friendship. And alam natin na most of us, sa school nabubuo and sa school natin nahahanap yung mga friends natin, di ba? May mga friends na hindi na natin nakakasama pagtanda, pero may mga friends na kahit gumraduate na, magkatrabaho, magkapamilya, kasama pa rin natin sila ngayon. So we want you to feel this moment. Sad lang na gusto namin kumpleto sana kaming makapag-perform dito sa UST Paskuhan. Pero yes, kailangan magpahinga ni Ate Aya. And ayun guys, let's enjoy this moment. And alam naman namin na sa song na to, habang pinaperform namin to, alam namin na kasama namin si Ate Aya sa stage. So let's feel this moment. This is Infinity.
Parang bagong pahinga sa ating bawat paghinga. Sinisigaw ay isa sa bawat pagpagtang ng luha. Ay sumisipol ang pangarap, di malilimutan ang nakaraan. Kahit hindi madali, ko'y naririto sa iyong tabi. Bawat araw ay malalagpasan. Bitawan na ng mundo, isipan mo magulo. Nagkaroon ang pagkakalaman, kakasama na buo. Ilalaban hanggang dulo, pangako na subukin man ang panahon. Magbago man kahit paulit-ulit, ulit-ulit kahit paulit-ulit, ulit-ulit kahit paulit-ulit. Ikaw at ikaw lang ang dahilan, paulit-ulit mabalik ka.
Kung babalik man ako sa ating nakaraan ay di matatakot.
Balik-balik
Kailan kaya natin? Takot na pinagdaanan, kung kapalit ng lahat ay kasiyahan.
Di makaliwanag ba ang lingkod?
Mahirap man basta't laging dyan sa iyong tabi.
Bitawan man ang mundo, isipan may magulo. Kakasama na buo, ilalaban hanggang dulo. Pangako na subukin man ang panahon, magbago man. Kahit hindi maging madali, ko'y naririto sa iyong tabi. Ang bawat araw ay malalampasan.
babalikan, UST.
Parang isa pang parang hindi natin ulitin yung
Nagdadrama na, yung luha ko sa mata ko, ayan na oh.
Bumalik. Hindi ko siya na-feel.
Kaya ba ulit?
Isa pa
Kasi
tayo.
last song na yun eh, no?
Pwede po ba kaming
Yeah.
humingi ng isa pang beses for infinity? Pwede po bang
Ulit natin.
Oo, ulitin natin. But for this time, baka pwede po namin makita ang mga ilaw nyo. Yes. And sana mas maayos na to. Yeah. Okay po?
ang laki ng ilaw?
Okay.
Grabe naman.
Okay, chine-check lang nila. Pero thank you, UST. Thank you. Grabe na rin kami may sumasabay na. Salamat po. Yan, Infinity, bagong release po namin yun sa album namin. Nakakatawa.
Grabe, nagstay pa rin sila. Actually, puno pa rin hanggang dulo kita ko dito eh. Di ba nga nasa likod? Hello po! Grabe, live yung yan.
Sayang di tayo nakapanood. Grabe yung lineup this year din eh, no? Pasabog. Meron tayong Emil Sol, Rob Daniel, Zach Tabudlo, Ben and Ben. Grabe. Solid lineup. Ha? Sige, wait lang. Habang may hinihintay tayo, let's take this time na mag-picture na para ano tayo.
Pwede po pa picture?
Pwede po picture po kami.
Kuya Nelson.
Kuya Nelsie?
Kuya Nelson.
Ay, ito pala. Oo.
Dito na lang tayo.
Si Kuya Nelson.
Kwali ka dito.
Coach Machu, ikaw na lang.
Kaya ko yan, Kuya Nelsie.
Coach Machu! Ito pala si mga dancers mo dito.
Sino po dito yung mga Galva?
Ingat ka, ate.
Galva! Ano ni Coach? Shout out.
Sino dito yung mga sifad?
Yes.
Ang multo ko.
Okay. After 3, show us your biggest smile. Smile. Say Bini.
Say horang he! Horang he! Say roar!
Ito sa kabila.
Okay, let's try it
Okay, try
again.
natin. Isa pa.
Wala
isa pa.
namang masama kung uulitin natin. Sabi nga ng song, paulit-ulit.
Ulitin natin to hanggang tumama yung ano.
Hanggang tumama yung music.
Sa ating pagkahinay, sisigaw ang isa. Sa pagpapagpagpag ng luha, ay sumisipo lang pangarap, di malilimutan ang nakaraan. Kahit di maging madali, ako'y naririto sa iyong tabi. Ang bawat araw ay malalagpasan. Bitawan man ang mundo, isipan mo magulo. Nagkaroon ng paghanap ng magkakasamang nabuo. Ilalaban hanggang dulo. Pangako na subukin man ang panahon, magbago man. Kahit paulit-ulit, ikaw at ikaw lang ang dahilan. Paulit-ulit babalik ka. Kung ibabalik man ako sa ating nakaraan, hindi matatakot na babalik-balikan. Lahat ng pagod na pinagdaanan, kung kapalit ng lahat ay kasiyahan. Di maipaliwanag ka, ikaw ang pipiliin ko. Kahit mahirap man, basta laging dyan sa iyong tabi.
Yes. Tomasians, are you still with us? Grabe, thank you so much. UST, thank you for this Paskuhan. Actually, yung song na Infinity, hindi lang siya song for us. It means everything to us. And same with this performance, this Paskuhan. This means the world to us. For sure, the same with all of you, mga Tomasians here. So thank you so much for having us again tonight. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Pero, gusto niyo ba ng isa pa? Parang ayaw nila girls. Good. We're good na coach. Isa pa? Gusto niyo pa? Do you want more? Yung harap na lang yung may gusto. Diyan sa likod, do you guys want more? Actually kami din, hindi kami papayag na 4 songs lang kami for tonight. Kasi this night is special to us. Okay. Yes, who's ready to party with us tonight? Let's go! Oh, can you hear that beat? Parang, ang init girls, no? Sobrang init. Ha? One more? Pero sige, one more. Pero gusto namin makikanta kayo sa amin. Pwede ba yon? Okay? Okay, mag-acapella tayo ng... Ano gusto niyo song? Huwag na tayo uwi. Pantropiko? Iba-iba sila, Carrera. Ano, lagi. Ano dyan? Ha? Lagi. Lagi daw. Sa Luzon, Visayas ba? Sige, maganda. ang yutas ko. Oh, sige. Halika. Sabayan niyo ako Pero babaguhin natin yung lyrics. So instead na Mindanao, sabihin natin sa USD kaya. Okay? Halika. Halika. Halika.
Game.
5, 6, 7, go! Halika, tara na, saan mo ba gustong pumunta? Sa Luzon, Visayas ba? Sa USD kaya? Walang problemang iisipin pa kung ikaw naman ang laging makakasama. Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi nang napapasabi, mahal kita mula umaga hanggang sa Espanya. Hanggang gabi, at bago matulog ng mahimbing, naiisip kita lagi-lagi. Everybody! Lagi-lagi. Yes! Thank you so much! USD, thank you so much po. Napakalaking bagay po na mag-perform po ulit sa harap nyo this year. Parang pakiramdam namin, binibless ulit kami. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina sa interview backstage, nung 2023, nung nakita namin yung fireworks, alam niyo yung parang binless kami for 2024. Parang pumunta kami dito na ang gusto lang namin sana, Lord, makilala kami ng mga tao, di ba? Lalo na dito sa bansa natin. And the year after, alam mo yun, powerful ang prayers. And now, Lord, humihingi kami, binabato namin sa universe na next year, maging successful po ang aming Coachella. Kasama ng mga Thumasians natin. And sabay-sabay natin ma-witness yung fireworks. Surprise ba dapat yun? Hindi naman, di ba? Okay. Yes, thank you so much, USD. We had so much fun. And sana hindi ito yung last time na magkakasama ulit tayo. And sana po, kung may time kayo, pakinggan niyo po yung bago naming album na Flames. Madami po kaming songs doon na hindi po na-perform tonight. So, if you have time po, maraming salamat and ma-appreciate po namin yon. Again, we are
Beanie!
2, 3!
Thank you po!
We love you, USD! Merry Christmas po and Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas po! Happy New Year!
Thank you!
Thank you po! Salamat po! Bababa po ba kami? Po? Dito lang po kami. Dito lang daw tayo. Mag-hepe po na lang.
Once again, let's give it up for the nation's girl group, Beanie! Now, maraming salamat po, Beanie, for making our university a special part of your journey. Now, before you say goodbye to our Thomasian family here tonight, do you have any final message to them? Now, okay again, Beanie, do you have any final message to your Thomasian family here right now at Paskuhan Concert 2025?
Yes, actually, nasabi ko na kanina, pero again, thank you so much, USD. We love you so much. Thank you po sa suporta nyo and sa suporta sa lahat po ng artists na nag-perform tonight. And sana, hindi sa gabi ito matatapos ang pagsuporta nyo sa OPM. Sana patuloy nating suportahan ang sariling atin. Thank you so much. We will conquer more next year. 2026 is for all of us. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Beanie Juan, and to all the girls here. A big thank you from the bottom of our hearts. The Thomasian community is so happy and so excited, di ba? Kaya naman, girls, please stay on stage for this very special moment.
Let's go!
So now, kasama ang ating nation's girl group, sama-sama na tayong titingala sa kalangitan at mga ngarap para sa mas maliwanag na kinabukasan. Ito na ang pangarap na magkakasama nating bubuuin at magkakasama natin ilalaban hanggang dulo. And now, let's have our countdown!
but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my